Hello viewers. Samsung has been very consistent in terms of giving software updates to their tablets and smartphones. Recently, I have received an update on my Tab S7 FE Wi-Fi version. This update is about the security patch of May 2023. In this update, some software issues have been fixed and the stability of the device has been improved and performance is increased a lot. Updates are very regular in Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. I have been receiving updates for about 2 years and I will receive the Android 14 update also, I hope so. And in this video I will give you an overview of the update and the size and what will be the new features that will be added with this update. In this update, as you can see, the update size is about 290 MB and software will be updated and some new features will be added and enhanced features will be included and some bugs has been fixed along with this update and the update version as you can see, and this is security patch level May 23. So without wasting any time, let's hit the download button and install the latest update and then come back again in this video. I have already downloaded the version. Now let me install this update and show you what are the new changes that I have encountered. So finally the update has been completed and I have installed it on my device. As you can see, the display seems to be very good and it feels very snappy. After every update, I see that there is little bit of changes in the positive way and I can feel the snappiness of the device. As you can see, I have already installed the latest version. Let me show you the version so that you can understand. If you own a Tab S7 FE Wi-Fi version, you will also get this update on your tablet. Let me know in the comment sections whether you have received this update or not. You can see the display seems to be very snappy, and in the wallpaper section you can see that there is no changes. You can set these wallpapers. These features have been included in the previous update, that is 5.0 One UI version, and it seems very good. It looks new and HDR content also looks pretty good on this tablet, though it is not an AMOLED display. This is a TFT display, but the resolution and the color combination of Samsung is great. Everybody knows it, and so from that perspective you will not be disappointed with this display, and you can also enjoy Dolby Atmos sound from AKG. I will let you know after some days whether this update is worth enough or not. I hope you have liked this video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.